Hi everyone, welcome back to the Media Center. Today I'm going to show you how to search the catalog. We're going to talk about the difference between a keyword search and a subject search. So I'm going to go ahead and open up our online catalog. You can access that from the school webpage. When you select your school, you're going to click up here at the top where it says catalog. So there are a couple of different ways to search. You can search by keyword, you can search by the title of the book, the author, the subject, and by series. So we're going to talk about keywords versus subjects. So when you do a keyword search, your results are going to be sorted in terms of relevance, and everything in the catalog that includes that keyword is going to be listed. So for example, if I type in Maryland and I hit keyword, it is going to give me 144 results, and that's a lot to sift through. So let's say that I want to learn about Maryland history, and I don't know which of these items is about Maryland history. I can go up here where it says Browse Subjects, and over here it's going to give me Maryland, and these are all subjects. So I don't see history, so I'm going to go ahead and click over. And here, if we take a look, we have Maryland history during the Civil War, the colonial period. So I'm going to go ahead and click where it says Maryland history. And this is going to give me all of the books in the library catalog that are classified as dealing with Maryland history. Okay, so that is one way to narrow your search. Another way to search is to search by subject. So if I was to go ahead and type in Maryland again, this time I search by subject. Now I have 82 results. And all of these books show me books that include Maryland as the subject. Okay? This time, if I want to narrow it, again, I can click Browse Subject, and again, I can sort my results. All right? So when you are looking for items in the library catalog, you can use keywords if you're not sure which subject headings to use, or you can use subject headings to figure out which materials best relate to what you're looking for. All right, so this was just a quick overview of how to use the catalog for keywords and subject searches. If you have any questions, please feel free to come and see me at any time, and we'll help you find what you need. Thanks.